Credit card introduction. A credit card is a type of payment card issued by a financial institution, typically a bank, that allows cardholders to borrow money to make purchases. It works on the principle of a revolving line of credit, which means you can use the card repeatedly as long as you pay off the outstanding balance or minimum payment each billing cycle. Credit limit. The credit limit is the maximum amount of money that a credit card issuer allows you to borrow on your credit card. It is determined based on various factors, including your credit history, income, and creditworthiness. Exceeding the credit limit may result in penalties and negatively impact your credit score. Credit score. A credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness, which indicates the likelihood of you repaying debts. It is used by lenders to assess the risk of extending credit to you. Factors that influence your credit score include payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit used, and new credit inquiries. Advantages of credit cards. Convenience. Credit cards allow you to make purchases without carrying cash. Build credit. Responsible use of credit cards can help establish and improve your credit score. Rewards. Many credit cards offer rewards, such as cashback, points, or airline miles, on eligible purchases. Purchase protection. Some credit cards provide insurance against loss, theft, or damage for items purchased with the card. Emergencies. Credit cards can be helpful in emergencies when you need access to funds quickly. Disadvantages of credit cards. Debt accumulation. If not used responsibly, credit cards can lead to debt accumulation and high interest charges. Interest rates. Credit cards often have high interest rates, especially for balances carried over from one billing cycle to another. Overspending. The ease of using credit cards might lead to overspending beyond your means. Fees. Credit cards may have annual fees, late payment fees, and foreign transaction fees. How to choose a credit card. When choosing a credit card, consider the following factors. Interest rates. Look for cards with lower interest rates if you plan to carry a balance. Rewards. Choose a card that offers rewards that align with your spending habits. Fees. Consider the fees associated with the card and compare them with the benefits. Credit limit. Make sure the credit limit suits your needs. Credit score. Some cards require a good credit score, so choose one that matches your credit profile. How banks make money from credit cards. Banks make money from credit cards in several ways. Interest charges. When cardholders carry balances, they are charged interest on the unpaid amount. Merchant fees. Banks charge merchants a small fee for each credit card transaction, which adds up with high card usage. Annual fees. Some credit cards have annual fees that generate revenue for the bank. Foreign transaction fees. Banks may charge additional fees for transactions made in foreign currencies. Should you use a credit card? Using a credit card can be advantageous if you can manage it responsibly. It can help build your credit score, provide purchase protection, and offer rewards. However, it's crucial to avoid overspending, pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges, and use credit cards within your means. Remember, responsible credit card usage involves paying bills on time, staying within your credit limit, and not relying on credit for purchases you can't afford.